Hi again, Ian Ballantyne, Developer Relations Engineer for Google Ads API. I'd like to welcome you all back to our workshop conclusion for some closing remarks. I hope you've had a wonderful week and enjoyed the presentations, live demos, coding sessions and discussions with our team. We've had so many great sessions by our expert presenters and panelists that I can't possibly recap it all. But I can remind you that full recordings will be available on the Google Ads Developers YouTube channel shortly after this event. For now, let's discuss some of the key takeaways and highlights over the last 3 days. So what are some of the topics that we've covered? We've dived deep into the methods of retrieving data from Google Ads API with recommended strategies for gathering reporting information. We also focus on techniques for mutating data at scale, optimizing for simplicity and throughput. We ran multiple sessions on the tools and techniques to improve your Google Ads query language skills and help you become a GACL guru. We emphasized the importance of planning for your migration to avoid any unexpected roadblocks as the deadline approaches. Now that's a lovely segue to the main takeaway from this workshop. And if you take one thing, let it be that the sunset of AdWords API is less than 7 months away. If you have not done so already, please factor this into your development plans for the final quarter of 2021 and the first quarter of 2022. It is our mission to help everyone along on this journey, but we need you to let us know your challenges. And don't forget, fill out the survey after this event as it will help us immensely. As a reminder, we have a number of fantastic tools to help you get started with your migrations and hopefully utilize long afterwards. And here are a few that were introduced over the last couple of days. The Query Migration tool can help you convert your old AdWords query language queries to the new Google Ads query language. Give it a try and let us know how you get on. If you are constructing queries from scratch, you can use the interactive Google Ads Query Builder. This will help you find compatible fields and customize queries ready for you to use in your application. Related to the Query Builder is the interactive Google Ads Query Validator. You can simply paste in the query that you've constructed, and this tool will tell you if there's anything wrong with the syntax. This is also a good opportunity for me to reiterate some of the resources that you may have seen in some of our sessions. This really is the index into every aspect of Google Ads API that you need in order to build a successful integration. We have reference documentation, guides, examples, video sessions, and a blog for important announcements. Also, support channels, including email and our community forum. We really hope you can find everything you need, but as always, we are striving to improve. So if you have any feedback on how we can provide better resources, we'd love to hear from you. The best way to do that is via our workshop survey, which you can find via the link on the event page. It only takes a few minutes to complete, but the information you can provide could save you days in the long run. We use that information to make important decisions about future events such as topics, resources and locations. So whatever you say here, positive or negative, it really counts. I'd like to leave you today with one final thought. I mentioned earlier in the week that we can't predict what the future of ads automation will be, but we can be ready for it. Hopefully over the past 3 days, we've shown you the tools and given you the confidence to continue with your own journey. Whether you are just setting off or accelerating along that road, we hope this event contains something that will help you navigate the next corner. Remember, you don't have to be able to see the future to prepare for it. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay safe and good luck.